Keblai Pibaro syakatup Khuborjylla ke Donbosco Media Network. Kimat bakong san mentah ke sengi kilong. Kedok not mau ke keni berukpa, hawa amkra lebret yalai kun. Yo stadium ke nongse arpon chiklur tingka ban penbahama dan milik kai. Pli ubat renikten ya ke viewpoint syait urnar hasnong maurap. Bat kela lang kenap ki silencer ke angsla hakti ki pulit. Bat mentangin pa syaki Khubor bakam benya. Kekenhun jong Search and Rescue Team juga tenat Fire and Emergency Service haka katlai terik Nohprah rengkat bagi pulit ke Maulai Police Station ke lalit tam bat seye ke wei ke medyap jeng wei kulung na wa amkra. Karkum ketulong Khubor bala yoklum lai thu ini kulung ide bedang syidap kha bala syak berat dusman da ka kemi bat ukpa ki bamla ban itu. Hadin bala dap tam ye ke medyap jeng ini kulung na wa la penkit Shillong Civil Hospital ban le e ke postmortem. Kam menshwa kum keni ke jingle la yo tam ye ke medyap iklung na jakat he nyut hamau pat.
Gimana? Dal subi.
वो जो आप होने वाला भी डाल दो
Umintri rangba ke Jylla Konrad ke Samla ha ke sengi balang ulapli Peit ba ye ke nongse Indo Stadium ha ke jingdon lang umintri ke terat yele akai ba Shakliar Wajri ke menteri ke kuat ke kia kong Amprin Lingdo baru Chief Advisor ba Hamlet Doling nalor ki officer ki nongelam shnong ki nongelam ke nongse Sports Club ki long kemi long pa bat ki Samla ne keni ke shnong ha keni ke sengi umintri rangba ulapen benaru ban ai arpon shiklur tingkan na ke bentaban penbhai ke madan yele akai nongse Layo ru eka jingkren na menteri ketenat yele akai ba Shakliar Wajri nang ta na ke menteri ketenat ka kuat ke kia bat ru no Chief Advisor ke Sorkar Jylla ba Hamlet Doling. Na ke liang ke shnong kila ai ru ke dor khas ha menteri rangba na ke benta ki wei pat ke jingnan kam ha keni ke shnong.
Andre ini hidayah yang ini adalah investment. Bagaimana itu dibeli Kristen hanya berkata bahwa orang yang orang dari seorang yang Jylla ini tidak ada sendiri berbeda. Tapi ini bukan daya. Apa berbeda Khuborjylla lagi juga itu karena hanya dua orang menteri sosial di Universitas. Lalu itu karena yang Khuborjylla sosial kami perlu dipanggil baik. Kamu dari ini Jylla. Ini kalau baik mendapat kerja pemerintah. Response kepada mereka di depan kontak dengan Jylla belum misalnya baru mau ini dari depan dengan dosis ini dan Shillong bagi video response dengan Jylla bagi lain yang mau ini menghadapi achievement yang itu resmi betapa ini lain yang aku sangat memiliki segi arsitek organisasi pilih saudara ni ada industri yang berperan ni ada arsitek ni BD insinyur ni ada teknik ni ada transport beri bagi ada kemudian ada contoh sini peserta ini contoh
we have a huge problem when it comes to unemployment. We have a huge problem when it comes to drug abuse. We have a huge problem when it comes to other issues related to the youth in different age groups. And hence, as a government, we try to do what we can to provide the facilities so that we can help the youth of our state move in the right direction. The reason I'm telling you this is because this building is meaningless. If the activities and the youth and all of you don't use it for the right thing. It's just a building. I would like to see that we have skill programs happening here. I would like to see that we have sports programs happening out here.
Haka khatlai tarik Nohprah ubak renikten tongkar MLA ke mau kerwat ule play Peit ba ke viewpoint ban Peit kai ke kshat urnar ke badon hasnong maurap Southwest Khasi Hills District. Haka jingelang play ladon lang uai laurin yang BDO ke mau kerwat sin adi blok ki Peit ba bat ki Samla na kini kethan. Kini kesengi ke lawan ra ke jingkmen ke bakrau na ke benta ki Peit ba kini kesnong bat kethan berok ke wei. Kini kakshat kalong ke beitanat bat kan long ke atiar bakrau ban kringi ki kmat jeng ki briu ki bawan ya suwari bat jungok kai syakini ke jaka. Ya ke urnar viewpoint letei bat chnari ki Peit ba na ke ski Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act MGNREGA jong snem arjar arpuar arpulai hakamang pisa ke belakan jo syaka kendai lak tingka bala pentre de ke Village Employment Council maurap. Ke skim no menteri rang ba ke Jylla bala ai arlak shiteng ban penjanai bat penitenat daki rong ki rupa pernai. La IT haka syarai lang Tourism Cooperative Society Limited ban penyat bat sumaria kini ke viewpoint.
Kindon bon kita ka batum kini ha ka bakin yok ban wan jino kai per thei par kare kita ka jugi kalon ka baponam ngak me lenti penadon ke jikarnan basi sen kasni ki babon ba ki Samla jugi kini yok kam kini yok jam lengba na ka tourism kini yok kam yo jam ha ka bakin tre ha ki hotel kini tre ha ki homestay kini tre ha kini ki tourist spot ha kini ki viewpoint ha ka ba kini akan long kala ai kam jam di khol Samla jugi akan gawe ke jitre lang jo ke jat benreu jo ki Samla jo ke kalong ka khan ki Samla ke syang maura ha ka ba pilong ka snong ka badon ba ngalor jo ka jindong ka ne yin persang malit pet se gine gawe ka onar falls bar ke snong jo pi ka ne hasen tar ba ha ka ba kino jo ka pete ki wana ke snong jo pi ban pet ke ji itanak jo ki kilo ho ba tang ban su pet nang tai na jong lum ban phai ban pet se ki thanong nam hadok ka no ka ji itanak ngawan mene ban let hantai halum je pet ban kio kali hadok antai halum je pet ka bang nang yat nang to ngang yat kali ban pet ya ke ji itanak jo ka kamar yang baro ko wei ngelai sundur ya kidur ki ba itanak hadok kata-kata ngalapa hey Mrs. Jonai kadur oh ilai roi ong pi bahabreu hadok kata-kata ngong dei bahabreu manga ka bahabreu kene ka jaka ilai ro yang aku tan ngong ngam bahabreu re dekat bahabreu kene jaka de da kata o kelapan itanak hadok kata-kata dan mereka kata ini skam na ka ji terlangnya tiga snong ka tau bar pada baro bar ki department ki pada nak ka distrik ka jomi ni khot ni wer sin pat ku bar finale ya kene ka ya lale ya kene ka viewpoint hang ne ikut niwer ki department baro haka bagin sa persang haka bagin yok dalam kemat na keleng jongi kum kinong me kemat ban lek ban wa ban ai ki ban yok ban sedang la kalau iki sedang ibarat dengan kliti bekan dia biang kum ne haka bagi department kin board kenang bagin yo i baki tourist spot baro kindai ki jaka haka bana keleng ka sarkar ni dan menta neleng ka snong ni dan menta neleng jungi kinong kemat ni dan menta bat hantang yo i ka cinkala jo kare ka dom bathan jini sai sempat khubleshibon khublesyarngo
Kipulet ke sor Shillong kilepin i da kakam bantek lakam ye ki briu ki bapendat di ki silencer ka angsla haki arsyaka lani haki kali bekitelun syarum syeneng hakini kenong ba haka khatlai tarik Nohprah kipulet kilayo bat chispa prapwei teli ki kali ki bapenon kam di ki silencer ka angsla ki bapenwit ye ki briu hasnong hathau bat halinti singkin da ka bateliat lengkenap ye ki haki syaka jong ka kor ramha kerdem surok lani ka road roller ban ajing snengi ki terai jong kini ki kali ya ke jing terlihat lengkenap ya kini silencer lale Police Reserve Shillong ha ke jing dan lang USP East Khasi Hills ba Sylvester Nong Tenger ba USP City ba Vivix A
that they are also liable. So with the first instance we have already taken up with them that they should stop selling apart from these other items also which are prohibited by the MV Act, and thereafter if they are still selling then we will take legal action.
Thank you. Shillong tribe teams is working hard to seize all this modified silencer. So you have seen last year we started, this year we started from January until date. We have seized 320 we have detected. But then we have seized 181. Previously, when we detected, we request the owner to to remove on their own. But then we realized that later that some are again using it. So when we realized that, then now we have seized this 181, so which will be destroyed shortly now. And the STP will continue to detect all the modified silencer which is not authorized by law. So we'll continue to do that. And right now, which is and fine also we have
12 lakhs for this year only. 12 lakhs 46,500.
Okay, for this year we realized fines from all this modified silencer about 12 lakhs 46,500, and that has been deposited to the government checker, state treasury. So that's all. And when we crash again next time, we'll call you again. Thank you.
So silencers are for the home.
Set up checkpoints in various places, especially at night, to check youngsters who actually have consumed alcohol and drinking. So we are concerned about actually young people driving and drinking and driving. And we also concerned that those people who have not got licenses are driving. So we have actually set up these NAKAs to check on these things. So after the checking and all that has drastically reduced, but we would urge parents, we would urge their guardians and all that, please do not give two-wheelers when they have not acquired a license. They have not, also they are not supposed to consume alcohol when they are planning to drive and all that. So otherwise it will cause accidents, which we have seen that these accidents are very fatal in nature, especially with two-wheelers. We also urge that we have also conducted surprise checkings in one ways where there is no entry from one side, whereby some people violate no entries, and we have seen also many a time that there have been fatal accidents and loss of lives. So STP is on the job to actually ensure that there is no rash negligent driving, so that lives are saved, and also that there is no social nuisance. So in various forms, this is just one such initiative. No, there are so many others. Loud noise from boom boxes and all that. There are also people using blinkers. Then there are also so many other things, so many other violations than drunken driving and all that, which we are doing and all that. So this will continue.
Dakajing shat tin rai la penyap biet ikinong ilekai ki bawan nabar banyak kini ikanam la adu hakajing ekop ilekai chess First Meghalaya International Open Grandmasters Chess Tournament Arajar Arpalai. Yakini kelumpung Yakop Chess la play de Uswapnil Tembe, Director of Education and Literacy Sorkar Meghalaya, but who advisor ke Meghalaya Chess Association ha Indo Training Hall Sports Authority of India NEHU campus haka khatlai trik Nohprah. Lesson ran lang do ba Krobok Pasa, Assistant Director kum usembut Kongsan, kinong kitkam bat kitkot ke MCA. Yakini kelumpung la penyat de Meghalaya Chess Association haka jingkmi ke All India Chess Federation. Kinong ilekai chess bapaunam na USA, Russia, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Egypt, Georgia, Vietnam, Uzbekistan, Nepal, Batnari India, kini kun banyakini ikanam Grandmasters ki pro jabing haka jing ilekai chess. Na Meghalaya nyongut kinong ilekai chess kini kun haka thup A, bat nrupasan ngut haka thup B.
Really, first page in India.
Since 2017, but my interest in chess started somewhere in 2020 during the COVID years when we started some kind of activities in East Karawels and then in West Karawels. So what I have seen is that we have great talent at the junior level, and our little kids from Karawels, from Khasinews, from Jylla, they are picking very fast. So we have started some efforts in that direction. So this is one such step, and the government, we are very thankful to the government of Meghalaya and the Honorable Chief Minister, who could not be here today. He has expressed his message that all the best to all the players, and he will be definitely be joining in the closing ceremony. And also including our Honorable Sports Minister and Director of Sports. So they all will be coming for the closing ceremony. Anyway, so at the outset, I want to wish all the best to all the players. Meghalaya is just taking its first steps towards becoming, something of a regular kind of a facilitator in terms of chess tournaments. So we will be doing that in the future. But really happy to see today that this has come to life. Meghalaya is a beautiful state, and along with chess, I'm sure, I hope you get the opportunity to enjoy the beautiful landscape of Meghalaya, the beautiful weather of Meghalaya, and this is the perfect time to visit this beautiful state of Meghalaya. So I will not take much time.
Ke Executive Committee KHADC haka khatlai trik Nohprah kelarai ban rak biang ye ke klan bil haying dorbar haka sin shong dorbar telang ke banwan ban ye tai sanibha shwa ban menjure ke ni ke bil ke jing temu juga ni ke jing ye tai halor ke klan bil ke long ban shai ke dari ke jing long jing man bat ki nongrim jong ki kur ki jat nyeu trap ki basong basa ha ki lum khasi ke jing temu juga ni ke klan bil ke long ban te song bat wan ra ke jing ye teli ha ki kur ki jat nyeu trap ubak penyak sing CM ke council ulai thuru ba ke tega bil kan batai penyak wat habaya day bat kerukom ken kur ken jat
Nohprah te hakabide kini ki bills kabeningkong ngilaya theory tai bha habide ba administration of clan bill kumba phi tip habide ba kani ka bill dangshen hakani ka special session jong ka council ka jongi ka balong ka punai bishpo nilayo ban wanra yakani ka bill andre na ka daw jong ka jing don ka jing ya tai ka babun de se ka jing duna hang ni hang tai ya ka bana ka liang ka yeng hibro ko we ngila rai ban IT ya ka executive committee ban form ya ka we ka special committee ban study in depth lene ban ngam kham jliu shu habide bakani ka draft clan bill te enrei menta ka singi soban penpau jingkemen bakrau ban pentip syaka ri ka jongi hamtam shiki nong shnong ki belong ki paradok prasnam ki jongi ki kor ki jai hamtam kini ki sengkor ba pher ki bala angnut la slem ba kin ino baka council kan yo ban pas yakani ka clan bill ringkat ba ka jing menjur na kaliang ulat ke Jylla te habide ba kani clan bill na kaliang ka committee ka bala clear kum chairman da deputy CM iba PNCM kila dep ban shong ya perkhat habide kani ka benta but na kaliang ka isi ngidang hi haka committee but in principle ngila shim ya ka rai ba ngin paspat ya kani ka bill hakani ka session ka pemerintah kenang ba ki babun ki jing ki ba mi haki kur ba pher haki sengkur ba pher kan kanam don let's say ka jing ikini ki brio ki jongi habaki don kam hakanu ka kam jing don kam jongki let's say habai de ba ka kur nama ka jing tmu jong ni ka clan bill hi kalong ba ngin yo ban te song ban penyateli yaki kur ba pher habo ni pori khasi kham tamru ban penbait renti ban streamline ya kerukom trekam jong kini ki sengkur ki ba pher pori khasi kumba phitip habangi phai akabe de ba ka tangjat jungi khasi haba u shinrang khasi uyo ya ka ya ka lok bomdei ka khasi le si ki khun hab ban tang jai te kaniru kawai ka ba dan kam bhai ka jinga dei bat ki rang bakur te ka klan bil ka kala batai ba kala dunia bhai kita baro te kani dika ek jingmentoi ladang ila man pas
Kalumpung Yele Akai Third Meghalaya Open Softball Championship Arajar Arpulai Balapnya the Meghalaya Softball Association Hamadan Second Ground Polo Shillong Kalapoi Shabakut Haba ka Mausenram East Castles Kalara Ekanam Ladu Nakaliang Kishenrang Katba Nakaliang Kikentai ka West Jantahils District Kalara Ekanam Ladu Kani Kalumpung Yele Akai Softball Kalasdang Haka Katway Tarik Bat Kalakut Haka Katlai Tarik Nohprah Arajar Arpulai Nakaliang Kishenrang ka Mausenram East Castles Kalapile Megadikya East Jantahils Katbaki Kentai na West Jantahils Kilapile Mekalintijam na Riboy District Yaga Kusnam Best Picture Nakaliang Kishenrang Lara do Krishna Thapa Nongile Akai Kadikya East Jantahils But Nakaliang Kikentai Layo da Kalari Shisha Pawa na West Jantahils
The strike from the picture. One more strike to have to send the batter away. That's another strike and the player is out. 3 away. That's a high ball. And that's a hit in the center outfield. And the player throw. 1 run counted for the KR jersey number 5. And the play in the third base and second base safe.
Good play, nice one.
We have another batter from East Jantahils District. Jersey number 3. Tuntulam Hawa.
Good, Ramia. Nice play. Woo.
Haduk praspa live kendai ngut ki Samla, sanspa khat ar ki Shinrang, bat live spa ar punya ngut ki kentai ki latut che donbosco silchar, neki khat pratali ki skul bala penyat de keseng solution, ban shimenta hakalumpung Bosco Olympic arajar arpulai, kaban ne laisngi, khat lai khat saw bat khat santrik Nohprah hanong ba silchar South Asa. Hakini Kalumpung Bosco Olympic ki praspa live kendai ngut ki Samla Shinrang bat kentai kini shimenta banyakun banyakini iki thong ladu hagajinga kop ele kai beper hakini ki laisngi lapli ke Bosco Olympic do kongsan Dr. Reverend Father MC Thomas hagajing don lang kinong elam ke seng reunion solution kajing temu bokongsan kini ke Bosco Olympic arjar arpulai kalong manwanra e kemensim yajan kemensim treshitom bat kemensim banya lang habaro kijing don kam hagajing empara brio Hakajuk Khubor kalong bante songi ki Samla bikin twet bat pentebit ialah kisap ki pong bekerpang bakidon hakajing ele akai sports nomor ka thong kalong ban kiu irat haka nam ka buram bat haka kamai kaji haka ni kejuk pemerintah ya ke Bosco Olympic la sandur da brother Reggie ubai imsngi ban kentiu bat ban pencelur ki Samla bikin penroi bat penjanai ialah kisap tenrai hagi kam sports Lesen ran ni ki praspa live kendai ngut ki Samla dan nyobusan ngut ki nonghikai na ki khat pratali ki school solution na Meghalaya, Tripura, Assam bat Mizoram. Halumpung yele akai ye ki Samla lahikai kumno bikin tingkan yele di, kumno ban ye lang kum ka kenhon, ban shanya markeliang bat ban poi sya ka thong jingjob da ka wei ka bor kum ka kenhon. Ka Bosco Olympic kan kut aka khat santrik Nohprah bat ensam ye ki buskit sya ki kenhon ki ba poi sya ka thong la do aka jingil akai babunjat. Provincial ki he ki han sarkar ki Peit ba na rithor kachar kin yelum krui hakani kisngi in penbot de ki cultural program kaput ketem ka shat ke kemen bat karwai ka siau de ki hajar sur klempep kani Kalumpung Bosco Olympic arjar arpulai kan long kisngi sa ken mau shilinter ka jing em jing ki praspa live kendai ngut ki Samla ki belawan ban shimenta ka jing kop babunjat pat ki parlok bagi kendu kin yang ne ha ka jing ken mau e certa jing em
Next we have donbosco school, Khuborjylla. Bosco School Silchar, which is led by the commander Shushmita Singha, flag bearer Shubham Singha, and placard holder Surya Shekhar. Your right hand with closed, respecting the rules which govern them.
More than me. Can run.
Anissa, cross fast. Don't see each other.
Bat dak itu ki Khubor ngilapoi syakabakut tak hadu Indonesia biang kublai shibor.